Imagine walking into your garden on a blazing summer afternoon. The sun is beating down, the ground around you is dry and cracked, and weeds seem to be taking over every empty patch of soil. Yet your own garden tells a completely different story. The soil beneath your plants remains cool and moist, weeds are barely noticeable, and your vegetables are growing vigorously despite the intense heat. The surprising part is that you achieved all of this without spreading wood chips, straw, or any other traditional mulch. Instead, a few carefully chosen plants are doing the job naturally. These living ground covers protect the soil, conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and even improve soil health, allowing many gardeners to reduce or completely replace conventional mulch. In today's video, we'll explore 5 remarkable living mulch plants that work continuously beneath your crops to create healthier, more productive garden beds with very little maintenance. Let's begin with one of the most reliable and beneficial living mulches you can grow. 1. White Dutch clover. When gardeners talk about the best long-term living mulch, white Dutch clover almost always appears near the top of the list. Unlike annual cover crops that last only one growing season, this hardy perennial continues protecting and improving the soil year after year. Rather than simply covering the surface like bark or straw, white Dutch clover forms a dense carpet of living greenery that shades the soil, reduces evaporation, and naturally limits weed growth. As it spreads, it creates an attractive green blanket that helps the garden stay cooler and healthier throughout the season. One of its greatest advantages is its compact growth habit. Instead of becoming tall or invasive, white Dutch clover usually stays only a few inches high, making it easy to walk across and simple to manage with occasional mowing or trimming. Its neat appearance makes it an excellent choice for vegetable gardens, orchards, herb beds, pathways, and around fruit trees. Another reason gardeners value this plant is its year-round performance. In many climates, white Dutch clover remains green through much of the winter, continuing to shield the soil even after annual plants have disappeared. Rather than leaving bare ground exposed to erosion, harsh temperatures, and nutrient loss, it keeps the surface covered across multiple seasons. It is also remarkably drought-tolerant once established. During hot weather, when lawns often turn brown and ordinary mulch gradually breaks down, white Dutch clover frequently stays lush while helping the soil retain valuable moisture beneath its leafy canopy. This creates a more stable environment for nearby vegetables, flowers, and fruit trees. As a legume, white Dutch clover offers another valuable benefit. Tiny beneficial bacteria living on its roots capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form that plants can use. Over time, this natural process enriches the soil, reducing the need for additional fertilizer and helping neighboring crops grow stronger and healthier. Around fruit trees, white Dutch clover often replaces the yearly task of adding fresh mulch. It continually suppresses weeds, protects the soil, moderates temperature changes, and produces nectar-rich flowers that attract bees and other important pollinators. It also works beautifully between rows of vegetables, filling empty spaces with a living carpet that helps reduce watering while giving the entire garden a lush, finished appearance. Growing white Dutch clover is simple. Scatter the seeds over prepared soil, press them lightly into the surface, and keep the area evenly moist until the seedlings become established. After that, the plant requires very little attention. It naturally fills bare areas, spreads steadily, and often reseeds itself with minimal effort. Over time, white Dutch clover becomes much more than a simple ground cover. It acts as a natural weed suppressant, conserves moisture, improves soil fertility, attracts pollinators, and protects the garden throughout the year, making it one of the smartest and most sustainable living mulches available. 2. Buckwheat. If you need fast results, few plants can match the incredible speed of buckwheat. Often called one of the quickest cover crops available, it can transform exposed soil into a thick, green blanket in only a few weeks. After sowing, the seeds germinate rapidly and begin growing almost immediately. Within about a month, buckwheat produces a dense canopy that covers the soil so completely that many weeds never have a chance to become established. Its rapid growth is one of its greatest strengths. Before many weed seeds are able to sprout, buckwheat has already shaded the ground with its broad leaves, blocking sunlight and dramatically reducing weed competition. This leafy cover also protects the soil from excessive heat. During the hottest part of summer, exposed ground can become extremely warm, placing stress on roots and reducing the activity of beneficial organisms living below the surface. Buckwheat acts like a natural umbrella. Its dense foliage shades the soil, slows evaporation, and creates cooler conditions where roots, earthworms, and beneficial microbes can continue thriving. Another major advantage is the large amount of organic matter it produces in a very short time. Once the plants are cut down, they decompose quickly, creating a nutrient-rich layer that feeds the soil far faster than many traditional mulches. Buckwheat is especially effective at capturing phosphorus and other valuable minerals that are often locked deep within the soil. These nutrients are stored in the plant's tissues and gradually released near the surface as the foliage breaks down, making them available to future crops. Its small white flowers provide another important benefit. They attract bees, butterflies, hoverflies, parasitic wasps, and many other beneficial insects that help pollinate crops and naturally reduce pest populations. Buckwheat also adapts well to a wide variety of soils. Whether the ground is sandy, heavy clay, or lacking nutrients, it usually establishes quickly and grows vigorously, making it an excellent choice for restoring neglected garden areas. Planting is straightforward. Broadcast the seeds over prepared soil, rake them in lightly, and water them. Very little fertilizer is required for successful growth. When the crop is finished growing, simply cut the plants and leave them on the surface. They quickly break down into a protective organic layer that continues feeding and shielding the soil. Because of its speed and versatility, buckwheat is an outstanding choice for quickly covering bare ground, suppressing weeds, cooling overheated beds, improving poor soil, filling empty garden spaces between crops, and providing temporary living mulch throughout the growing season. 3. Sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum takes a different approach to living mulch by combining ornamental beauty with outstanding practical benefits. Although it is often grown for its charming flowers, it also works as an excellent companion plant that protects the soil while supporting the entire garden ecosystem. Its delicate clusters of white, pink, purple, or lavender blooms create a beautiful display. But beneath those flowers, the plant forms a low, spreading mat that helps shade the soil, reduce moisture loss, moderate temperatures, and prevent the surface from becoming dry and compacted. Perhaps its greatest strength is its ability to attract beneficial insects. Because sweet alyssum flowers continuously and produces abundant nectar, it becomes a favorite destination for hoverflies, lacewings, ladybugs, parasitic wasps, soldier beetles, and many other helpful insects. These natural predators feed on aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, thrips, flea beetles, caterpillars, and numerous other common garden pests. For this reason, many organic gardeners plant sweet alyssum throughout their vegetable beds to encourage natural pest control instead of relying on chemical sprays. Another advantage is that it grows peacefully alongside many edible crops without competing aggressively for space. It fits beautifully around lettuce, onions, carrots, spinach, strawberries, cabbage, tomatoes, peppers, and many other vegetables, filling empty spaces while helping suppress weeds. By covering exposed soil, sweet alyssum blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, reducing germination and limiting unwanted growth throughout the season. Although it looks delicate, it is surprisingly resilient. Once established, it tolerates warm weather, short dry periods, and even light frost while continuing to bloom for months. It is also very easy to grow. Simply scatter the seeds over the soil, press them gently into place, and keep the area lightly watered until the seedlings emerge. Before long, the plants develop into attractive flowering mounds that naturally weave between surrounding vegetables and flowers. Many gardeners appreciate that sweet alyssum often reseeds itself without becoming invasive. Once introduced into the garden, it frequently returns year after year, continuing to provide soil protection, attract beneficial insects, and support healthy plant growth with very little maintenance. Unlike ordinary mulch, which simply covers the ground, sweet alyssum actively contributes to the garden every day. It protects the soil, feeds pollinators, attracts natural predators, and adds lasting beauty all at the same time, making it one of the most valuable living mulches any gardener can grow. 4. Crimson clover. Among all living mulch plants, crimson clover is one of the easiest to recognize, thanks to its spectacular deep crimson flower spikes that rise above soft green foliage. Although many gardeners grow it for its striking appearance alone, its real value goes far beyond beauty. This remarkable plant suppresses weeds, enriches the soil, conserves moisture, attracts pollinators, and improves overall garden health. making it one of the most useful living mulches you can grow. One of crimson clover's greatest strengths is how quickly it establishes itself. Shortly after the seeds germinate, the plants spread rapidly across bare ground, creating a dense blanket of foliage before most weeds have a chance to emerge. Instead of constantly pulling weeds by hand or covering the soil with synthetic materials, gardeners can simply allow crimson clover to occupy the space naturally, leaving very little room for unwanted plants to grow. As the plants mature, they create a soft layer of living vegetation that protects the soil while allowing taller vegetables and flowers to grow above it. Unlike aggressive ground covers that compete heavily for space and nutrients, crimson clover generally coexists peacefully with neighboring crops, improving growing conditions rather than becoming a problem itself. Perhaps its greatest contribution lies beneath the soil. Because crimson clover belongs to the legume family, it forms a beneficial partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live on its roots. These microorganisms capture nitrogen directly from the atmosphere and store it within the root system. Later, when the plants are trimmed or naturally break down, much of that valuable nitrogen is released back into the soil where surrounding crops can use it. This natural fertilization process gradually improves soil fertility while reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Vegetables growing alongside crimson clover often develop stronger stems, greener leaves, and healthier overall growth as nutrients become available throughout the season. Crimson clover is equally valuable when it comes to conserving moisture. Bare soil exposed to hot summer sunshine quickly dries out, hardens, and becomes compacted. A thick layer of clover shields the surface from direct sunlight, reducing evaporation and helping the soil stay cooler and moist for much longer. As a result, gardeners often find themselves watering less frequently, while their plants remain healthier during periods of intense heat. Its brilliant crimson flowers provide yet another important advantage. As blooming begins, the garden quickly fills with honeybees, bumblebees, hoverflies, butterflies, and many other beneficial insects searching for nectar. While feeding on the flowers, these pollinators also visit nearby vegetables and fruit crops, improving pollination for plants such as cucumbers, squash, melons, berries, and young fruit trees. Crimson clover works especially well beneath taller crops, where it forms a living carpet without interfering with vertical growth. Tomatoes, peppers, corn, broccoli, sunflowers, and even young orchard trees all benefit from the cool, protected soil that develops beneath its foliage. Growing crimson clover is simple. Scatter the seeds over prepared soil, rake them in lightly, and keep the area evenly moist until the seedlings become established. Once growing well, the plants require very little attention, while naturally filling empty spaces with lush green growth. At the end of the season, simply cut the remaining plants and leave them lying on the soil. As they gradually decompose, they return organic matter and valuable nutrients to the ground, improving soil structure, increasing fertility, and preparing the bed for future crops. Very few plants provide so many advantages from a single planting. Weed suppression, natural fertilization, moisture conservation, pollinator support, and long-term soil improvement all come together in crimson clover, making it one of the finest living mulches available to home gardeners. 5. Creeping thyme. Creeping thyme combines elegance, durability, fragrance, and practicality in a way that very few living mulch plants can match. Rather than serving as nothing more than a ground cover, it forms a beautiful living carpet that protects the soil while adding color, texture, and pleasant fragrance throughout the garden. Unlike fast-growing cover crops that quickly fill empty spaces, creeping thyme develops more gradually. As the months pass, its stems slowly spread outward, weaving together into a thick cushion of evergreen foliage that becomes increasingly effective at covering the soil. Once established, this dense mat remains attractive for years while requiring remarkably little maintenance. As the foliage spreads, it shades the soil beneath, reducing evaporation and preventing many weed seeds from receiving enough sunlight to germinate. The result is a naturally protected soil surface that stays cooler, retains moisture longer, and requires far less weeding throughout the growing season. In many climates, creeping thyme remains evergreen or semi-evergreen, ensuring that the garden continues looking vibrant even after many other plants have entered dormancy. This year-round coverage helps protect the soil through changing seasons while maintaining an attractive appearance. One of the most breathtaking moments arrives in late spring and early summer, when the entire carpet suddenly erupts into bloom. Thousands of tiny flowers appear in shades of lavender, purple, pink, or white, depending on the variety, transforming ordinary pathways, borders, and planting beds into colorful ribbons that seem to glow across the landscape. These blossoms quickly become magnets for bees, butterflies, hoverflies, and countless other beneficial insects. As pollinators move from flower to flower, they also help improve pollination for nearby vegetables, herbs, fruit trees, and ornamental plants, making the entire garden more productive. Its fragrance is another reason gardeners love creeping thyme. Warm sunshine causes the leaves to release aromatic oils, filling the surrounding air with a pleasant herbal scent. Even brushing lightly against the plants or walking nearby on a warm day releases waves of refreshing fragrance that make patios, walkways, and seating areas even more enjoyable. Beyond its ornamental value, creeping thyme is also a useful culinary herb. Small sprigs can be harvested throughout the growing season and added to soups, roasted vegetables, marinades, sauces, teas, and many savory dishes, allowing the plant to serve both decorative and practical purposes. It performs exceptionally well in places where many other ground covers struggle. Creeping thyme thrives between stepping stones, beside retaining walls, around raised beds beneath fruit trees, and along garden paths. Because it tolerates occasional foot traffic, many gardeners even use it to create living walkways that feel softer, greener, and far more natural than gravel or bark mulch. Within vegetable gardens, creeping thyme fits comfortably beneath taller crops such as tomatoes, peppers, beans, eggplants, blueberries, and many other plants. While vegetables grow upward toward the sun, the thyme quietly protects the soil below by suppressing weeds, conserving moisture, and stabilizing soil temperatures. Its ecological benefits are equally impressive. The spreading roots help hold soil in place, reducing erosion caused by heavy rain or strong winds. The dense foliage limits moisture loss during hot weather, while encouraging beneficial organisms to thrive beneath the surface. Around fruit trees and perennial plantings, creeping thyme can significantly reduce watering needs while gradually improving soil health as organic matter naturally accumulates beneath its leafy canopy. Growing creeping thyme from seed requires a little patience because the tiny seeds need light to germinate successfully. Rather than covering them deeply, simply press them gently onto the soil surface and keep them evenly moist while young seedlings establish themselves. Although newly sprouted plants grow slowly at first, mature creeping thyme becomes exceptionally drought-tolerant, resilient, and long-lived. Once established, it generally requires nothing more than occasional trimming to encourage dense growth and maintain its tidy appearance. Over time, creeping thyme becomes much more than an attractive ground cover. It protects the soil, conserves moisture, attracts pollinators, supports beneficial insects, reduces erosion, fills the garden with fragrance, and creates one of the most beautiful living mulches available. For gardeners looking for a ground cover that combines long-lasting beauty, practical function, ecological value, and remarkable resilience, creeping thyme remains one of the very best choices.